Today you're working on Module 5, Lesson 16. The objective is today you will subtract from multiples of 100 with zeros in the tens place. You will draw chips on the place value chart and unbundle. So I'll start with multiples of 100, meaning that you are going to have numbers in the hundreds. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. You will have a zero in the tens place, which is why you're going to have to unbundle. So unbundling means that you don't have enough tens. So you must take a 100 and cross it out and turn it into 10 tens in the drawing. You will draw chips on the place value chart today, and chips are just these dots. You will draw dots in the hundreds, in the tens, and in the ones. That's just another way to draw on the hundreds chart without using the disc. That is faster. So at the bottom you see an example of I started 509, so I did 5 hundreds. I didn't draw any chips in the tens place, and I drew 9 ones. And then I inserted a picture. This is how you can insert too. You can insert a picture on your work, or if you want to show me your work this way, you can submit it in a drawing. I drew the 500 and no tens and 9 ones, just like I did on the place value chart on the top. And then I took away 1 from the 371, 1, 1. And then if you noticed, I don't have any tens in my top picture, so I had to unbundle. I had to take 100 from the hundreds place, cross it out, and I drew an arrow, and I then drew 10 ones in the tens place. 10 chips in the tens place, because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 is the same as a 100 chip. So then I took away my 7 tens, which is why you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crossed out. And then I took 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. And then I counted how many chips I had left on my drawing. I had 8 ones, I had 3 tens, and I had 100, and that's how I came up with the number 138.